YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to make your Canva design editable in Figma. So guys, for this guys, first of all you open your Figma design. So guys, here is, for example, this is my thumbnail that I want to make it to editable in the Figma. For this, first of all you download this image in any image format, like go for share, then guys go for the option of download, and here you choose your file type. For best for the complex image and illustrate, and you just use the PNG, and after you click the option of download. Okay, now your image is completely download and you just save it into your system. After that, simply open and go for the convert your image PNG to SVG. It help you convert your image into the vector graphics, scalable vector graphics. Okay, now go and choose your file which you are just download. Just click the and option of open. So this is the size of your image and this is your output. If you want to change it, so you also change it and click the option of convert. After a few seconds, here you see that your image is automatically convert in this. Okay, it will take few seconds. Now you simply go for the option of downloads and click the option of save download. When your image is saved, then okay. Otherwise you simply go for the option of your Figma. In the Figma you open your finder where you just download your SVG. So guys, here you see this is my .png and this is my .tsv. Now you simply drag it into your Figma. Now you just go here and guys, here you see all its layer. Now you simply go and zoom it, put it into the center, and guys, here you check all its vector image are shows here. And if you want to get particularly things, so you just also click on it and you edit any of these things. Okay, so guys, this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.